In this video, I'll show you how to turn off music in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. So begin by launching the game in your console, then press the options button in your controller to access this menu. Then use the R1 or the L1 button and go to the settings icon. This will reveal the settings. Now within the settings, scroll down and select audio. Choose that. Then ensure you are on the audio tab. So for instance, maybe you're in the voice chat, use the R1 or the L1 button and go to the audio and then find the option master game volume. So on your controller, press the boxed button to show more settings and then find the gameplay music volume. So if, let's say for example, it's at a maximum volume, you can use the left analog stick and flick it to the left to reduce it, to turn it off. And also you can also turn off the cinematic music volume. So this option basically plays music whenever there's a cinematic scene. So you can also turn it off by flicking the left analog stick to the left. So that's basically it on how to turn off music in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.